Hello, I'm Reverend John David Couch. I'm the founder of International Bible Church of Mountain City, Tennessee. We've been traveling the nation preaching the gospel in many foreign nations for 42 years. I love to travel. I love to go to my next meeting and meet my new people. I love to meet people that have needs because I know I preach about a God that will deliver those needs. Thank you for coming to our website. Please do not rush yourself. Take all the time you want. Enjoy what we've put on the website for you to enjoy. Enjoy all the pictures of our friends, our meetings. Enjoy the DVDs that we've put on for clips. If you're interested in helping our ministry, PayPal is all through our setup. If you want to buy some of our videos, some of our audios, just let me know. PayPal is there and you can buy them today. So please take time and remember you're important to us. That child that's hurting, we need to know about it. If we don't know what's wrong, we don't know how to pray. If you'll call me, if you'll write me, if you'll send me an email, then I will personally pray. My wife Glenn and I will pray, because our secretaries don't open our mail and they don't pray for our people. You're my friend. You're my friend, and I want to take care of you and be there for you. Whatever your need is, you call me. But please, please take time. Take time to enjoy the website. If this is your first time, please be sure to email me your address, your phone number if you would, and we will get back in touch with you. So may God bless you, and remember, if God hadn't been with you, you wouldn't have made it this far.